to start a side hustle with no money. Want to make extra money without spending a dime? Discover how to transform your spare time into a profitable venture. Whether you're looking to pay off debts or save for a dream, the right side hustle can change everything. In today's fast-paced economy, having a side hustle isn't just an option, it's a necessity. With rising living costs and unpredictable financial climates, diversifying income streams provides security and flexibility. Many find side hustles fulfilling, turning passions into profitable endeavors. Recent statistics reveal that nearly 45% of Americans have a side hustle, highlighting its growing popularity. These ventures contribute significantly to household incomes and provide a financial cushion. This trend underscores the shift towards entrepreneurial mindsets and self-reliance in today's economy. Identify your skills and talents. Reflect on what you excel in and enjoy doing. Are you a whiz at graphic design, or do you have a knack for writing? Recognizing your strengths is the first step in offering valuable services. Freelancing is a popular choice for many seeking flexible work. Platforms like Upwork or Fiverr allow you to showcase your skills, connect with clients worldwide, and earn money on your terms. It's a straightforward way to monetize what you already do well. Freelancing offers a flexible way to earn money by utilizing your skills. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients worldwide, allowing you to offer services such as writing, graphic design, or programming from the comfort of your home. Online tutoring is a rewarding side hustle for those who excel in certain subjects. By partnering with sites like tutor.com, you can share your knowledge with students, providing valuable educational support while earning extra income on your own schedule. Social media consulting is perfect for those with a knack for digital marketing. You can help brands enhance their online presence by crafting engaging content and strategies, thereby increasing their reach and engagement across platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Content creation allows you to express your passions and interests through blogs or YouTube channels. By consistently producing quality content on topics you love, you can build an audience and monetize your platform through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Becoming a virtual assistant is an excellent option for organized individuals. By offering administrative support remotely, you can help businesses manage tasks like scheduling, email management, and customer service, providing essential assistance without leaving your home office. Explore free online tools to enhance your side hustle. Services like Canva and Trello can help with marketing and project management. These resources allow you to create professional materials and organize tasks efficiently, all without any financial investment. Networking is crucial for growth. Join online communities related to your field to gain support, share experiences, and discover opportunities. Engaging with like-minded individuals can provide valuable insights, mentorship, and even potential collaboration to boost your side hustle. Set clear, achievable goals to guide your efforts. Define what success looks like for your side hustle and establish milestones to track progress. This structure will help maintain focus and motivation, ensuring you stay on the path to success. Consider dropshipping to start an online store without holding inventory. Platforms like Shopify make it easy to sell products directly to consumers. This model reduces upfront costs and allows you to focus on marketing and customer service to grow your business. Pet sitting offers a rewarding way to earn extra money. Provide pet care services in your neighborhood to meet the demand for reliable caregivers. Building trust with pet owners can lead to repeat business and positive word-of-mouth referrals. Dropshipping offers a flexible way to start an online business without the need for holding inventory. By partnering with suppliers, you can focus on marketing and customer service while they handle the logistics, making it a low-risk venture. Pet sitting is a rewarding opportunity for animal lovers to earn extra income. By offering personalized care, you can build trust with pet owners. This service is in high demand as more people look for reliable care for their furry friends. House sitting provides peace of mind for homeowners and a chance to earn while maintaining properties. Responsibilities may include security, upkeep, and even plant care. It's an excellent option if you enjoy a change of scenery and responsibility. Photography allows you to capture moments and sell them as art or services. Whether through online platforms or event photography, there's a growing market for creative visuals. Building a portfolio can open doors to various freelance opportunities. Entrepreneurs often face challenges like market competition and resource limitations. However, with persistence and creativity, these hurdles can be overcome. Seeking mentorship and continuously improving your skills will help transform obstacles into stepping stones for success. Many individuals have transformed their lives through side hustles starting from scratch. Take Joan, who began tutoring online from her living room and now runs a successful education business. Her journey proves that determination and creativity can lead to remarkable achievements. Feeling inspired? It's time to take that leap and start your own side hustle. Like, share and subscribe now to receive the latest tips, strategies, and inspiration to guide you on this exciting journey towards financial independence and personal fulfillment.